So, hi everyone, my name is Balazs Varga and I'm working at Allotropia Software GmbH, and thanks for Collabora for the invitation. I would like to talk about this presentation about WebAssembly, MScript and Headless PDF conversion with LibreOffice. So as I mentioned, at Allotropia we are working on the Headless PDF conversion product. Last time on FOSDEM I showed a little demo about it, but there wasn't any nice UI at the moment, and we had to restart the application and the web page to make it work in case of multiple files. So if we run the application once, we had to reload the page again to make the conversion work again. I will show you a little demo a bit later, but first of all talk about how to make it work. So you can build LibreOffice for WebAssembly for two separate purposes, either to product WAS binary of LibreOffice as such using Qt5 for its UI, or just compiling LibreOffice core to WAS without any UI for use in other software that provides the UI, like Collabora Online, built as WAS, or the PDF headless conversion. Let's talk a little bit about MScript. Tor also talked about it a bit. So it's a completely open source compiler toolchain to WebAssembly. Using MScript, and you can compile C and C++ code or any other languages that uses LLVM into WebAssembly and run it on the web, or Node.js, or any other WebAssembly runtimes. MScript generates small and fast code. Its default output format is WebAssembly, a highly optimizable executable format that runs almost as fast as native code by being portable and safe. And MScript does a lot of optimization work for you automatically as well, by carefully integrating with the LLVM. The main tool is the MScript compiler frontend. This is a drop-in replacement for a standard compiler like ECC or Clang. EMCC use Clang and LLVM to compile to WebAssembly, and also emits to JavaScript that provides API support to the compiled code. The JavaScript can be executed by Node.js or from within HTML in a browser. It can be used on Linux, Windows, or macOS as well. And there is a little demo about the PDF conversion. You can select different kind of file formats, like ODF formats, OXML formats, or just simple TXT formats, or RTF, and many different kind of formats, and it will be downloaded to the default downloaded folder that you will set in the browser, and there is a little console on there which show what you exported and where is it downloaded. And as you can see, you can select it multiple times without reloading the page. Yeah, and hopefully it's work. Yeah, the hard part was here that if you had to reload the page to load the WebAssembly binaries into the browser again. So that's why it's a little bit complicated, but now it's working. And also you can select, it's another video, but you can select all files, different kind of files, and it will be converted at the same time, even if they are different type of. And we are using the convert to command, but we can use in the command line as well on any operating system, but we're using with the WebAssembly. Oh, and I cannot move forward. It's a little bit budgy. Yeah, I think that's all, but I cannot move to the end of the slide. Yeah, it's like the last time. Yeah, thank you very much.